Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a blast from the past, a little bit.
Well, that's it. These haven't seen the light of day for a few years now. 4 years. These are 2022 dated coins, Michael.
So as you can see, they're new old stock, old new stock.
That's the
Which
one.
way around
I think we struggle with it every time. But also something that is a little bit more in our wheelhouse. We've had a couple of releases lately, both with some of the numismatics and the bullion, where we've gone, not quite too sure about this, but this is Star Wars, Michael. It's back in our domain.
I got to say, I'm relaxed with this. I like a bit of Star Wars, as everyone knows, so I thought this was a good one when I saw them come up. Again, cheaper end of the spectrum because we paid a good price for them. Not a 12 months ago good price, but a good price with the premiums where they're at the moment. So we're going to be able to do them at a pretty good price. I think Adsy's rumouring about $15 a coin over spot.
There we go.
That's over spot, not
not
$15 a coin. Oh, you got to be so careful in the bullion industry.
And Australian dollars for the US people watching as well.
That's right. So I haven't actually seen this one in the flesh, so I'm a little bit excited because it's different to people will remember, or some of our older customers will remember the other Darth Vader we had for quite a while.
Yes.
This is a different design because that was the 2020, I believe Ruben told me.
Yes, it was the 2020. We have actually seen this design before over on our sister company, Little Coin Shop. We got a 3-ounce version of this one through, but not the bullion version. So very strong pose there from Vader with a silhouette version of him back, and again in that proof one, the windowed section in the top left there was kind of a few different scenes and things like that with Vader there, but on this one is more of just a window in the back.
This is particularly the obverse, but both sides show these are, I've got a hair in the way, let me get rid of that. But these are showing up just in incredible condition considering they're, 4 years old now?
Yes.
So, yeah, definitely new old stock or old new stock, whichever way around you want to put it. But a beautiful coin. And it's great because it's Star Wars, and it's good because it's a decent price.
Yes.
And finding decent price bullion at the moment, it's a little bit of hard work.
Bit of a battle.
Alrighty, so we do have a very limited number of these. It's not just the one box. Off the top of my head, we bought about 10, 12 boxes of them, something like that. They came on a pallet. It was very impressive, but obviously I didn't lug it all the way into the studio. So yeah, we've got a number of them. We will have them while stocks last.
Good to have something in that kind of bracket that is going to be coming through cheaper than the kangaroos. A little bit more expensive than the buybacks, but as the website people will have noticed, it can be a bit of a struggle to get some of that either staying up there or up there. So yeah, really good to have something in this kind of a price bracket.
Don't hold your breath on buybacks for a while. We're struggling with them. So
that's it.
Yeah,
but
grab these while you can if you're looking for some cheaper end silver that's still pretty swish actually.
There we go. All right, thank you very much, everyone. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.